while ago, there was a chicken that laid lots of plastic eggs, but only in the springtime. If you opened the eggs, you would find a candy inside. People loved the chicken and ate all the candy in the eggs. It turned into a holiday that we call Easter, and the chicken was called the Easter chicken. The end.
That's a very weird book. I thought it was the Easter bunny, not the Easter chicken. You shall die with my stick of power. No, my Steiner will kill you. You will die from the battle, not me. Attack! Wait, guys, what are you doing? It's Easter. Ooh, I love Easter. The Easter bunny comes around and gives us candy. I'm not so sure it's the Easter bunny though, because I just read this book about it being the Easter chicken, and it looked a lot like Pipsqueak. I guess it kind of makes sense if it's the Easter chicken, because why would it be eggs? Not like bunnies lay eggs. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, I bet it is the Easter bunny. We should look outside to see if there's any eggs outside. Wow, look at all of those eggs! We better go outside to get some. There's lots of candy in those, I bet. We gotta go there quick! Wait, but we first need to get our Easter baskets. I'll use this as my Easter basket. I'll use this as my Easter basket. That Easter basket's so small, you'll get no candy from just that. Well, actually, no, you'll just get like one egg, but it's like barely anything. Well, my bag gets so much candy. I'll use this plastic bag for my Easter basket. I'm not going to get an Easter basket because the egg thing in the whole book thing sounds a little bit sus. Feels like Pipsqueak's doing something. Plus, I haven't seen him around lately. Whatever. I'm going. Let's go! Content time! There. I feel so bad for Jimmy right now. He's only going to get one egg because of how small his basket is. What? How did you get a giant egg? Man, I love the Easter chicken. He said that he loves the Easter chicken. Finally, I can get some appreciation around here. Oh man, I'm gonna get so much eggs. Look at these. Oh boy, we have all our bags full. We've got to come inside to tell Plump about all of this candy. This whole Easter chicken thing sounds a little bit sus. I knew it! What is Pipsqueak? What is he up to? I'm taking a video of it right now, so they can't say that they don't like me. Oh man, all of our eggs are gone. That means we can't have any candy. Oh man, the wind. Jimmy, what are you doing? Oh, I'm daydreaming of all of the candy that I'm gonna eat from all of those eggs. The eggs blew away. What? Oh man, I was really looking forward to that candy. All right, let's go back. What is that? What is Pipsqueak spying on us? Wait, what? Pipsqueak. Wait, that's the same drawing as the Easter chicken. He set it up. He drew all of that. That's why the drawings were so sloppy in the handwriting. He made this. Huh? I'm coming over to him. Oh wait, he was the one that drew the pictures. He's gonna get in so much trouble. Why were you spying on us? Well, you see, I was really sad that you guys always kept making fun of me. And since Easter was coming around, I tried to make a book that had this whole theory about the Easter chicken thing that I made up. And I'm the Easter chicken. And I wanted you guys to like me. And it kind of worked because you guys were saying that you really liked Easter chicken and stuff. But now you don't. Because you found out that I was the one spying on you guys, and I wrote the book. And I just did it all just because I really wanted you guys to appreciate me for once. So I hid a bunch of candy in the eggs. You could have just asked. Oh. I don't like you for spying on them. I knew the whole thing was sus. You're going to jail, Pipsqueak. Oh, man. Don't worry. I'll free you. Yay!